In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the backup from Realsoft 10.6, 7 or all other previous versions. As everyone knows, 10.6 is updated from 10.7 and now 10.7 is also updated to 10.8. So taking the backup from 10.7 or 10.8 is quite easy. Whenever you need to take the backup from 10.7 or 10.8, we need to just simply log in, and after login simply just go to administration, and from here you can take the backup. It will let you know that this utility takes the backup, blah 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 blah, and simply just click on backup now. It will ask you to save that backup. I'll choose the desktop as I'll create a new folder for backup as 10.7 backup. Oops, 10.7 backup. Make it in caps ARMS, and I'll save this one. And once it's done, it will let you know that backup process has been completed successfully. Once done, click OK and close. Now this was the backup from 10.7 software, but if you have below 10.7 like 10.6 or 10.0, 9.2, whenever you need to take the backup, you have two options. If you open the software as run as administrator, if you're using the software like this, then for taking the backup you'll need to go to software's open file location, then copy that ARMS file. But if you are directly logging in the software, then you can't get the data backup from open file location, because when the software is logged with administrator, all the data saves here. But once the software is not getting login from administrator, you need to go to that hidden file. So for that, just open run, type app data, hit enter, go to local, go to virtual store, go to program files, RS solutions, Realsoft 10.6, and copy this file. As you can see the difference between the files from here. This one is for 5.33 MB, and if you go here, this is 3328. That this means it's a default fresh file. There's no data in the here. So where's our backup? Our backup is here. Whenever we need to restore that data, simply we need to copy this file and paste either on open file location, or simply just go to that place again as hidden, run, app data, local, virtual store, program files, RS solution. Same thing, you can paste the backup here for 10.6, paste the backup here for 10.7. That's it, nothing else you need. Once again, if you are using the software as run as administrator, all the software data will be saved at open file location. But once you are not opening the software as run as administrator, you'll need to go to that hidden file that is in virtual store. So that's it. Now you have taken the backup for 10.6 and 10.7. Whenever you need to restore, Simply you can directly go to the open file location or that place which is a virtual store.